Maybe you have seen the signs. Gas prices are spiking across the Piedmont Triad. Some gas stations saw a 30-cent increase in just one day. After months of a slow decrease in prices, we wanted to know what is behind this sudden jump. WFMY News 2's Ariel Cadet digs deeper.
Drivers paying more at the pump recently.
Probably $2.50 a week.
It's getting out of control a little bit.
Prices at some stations around Greensboro saw a big jump. On Tuesday, it was $3.18 a gallon. By Wednesday, it jumped to $3.49. North Carolina A&T economics professor Scott Simpkins blames the hike on OPEC+, an alliance of oil exporting countries. It plans to cut 2 million barrels of oil a day starting in November.
It's about 2% of world oil production. We're not talking about 40% or something. But nonetheless, it has the potential to have significant effects on oil and gasoline prices.
This move comes as gas prices spiked over the summer and have gone down in recent weeks. The group says they made the decision because of the uncertainty surrounding the economic and oil markets.
And if there's a further slowdown in the world economy, potential for recession because of the inflation and fighting inflation around the world with higher interest rates, then it's likely that oil prices would have fallen even further. So they're trying to counteract some of that.
The White House says the decision is a sign that OPEC is aligning with Russia. The country faces a European ban on most of its oil.
Russia is part of the OPEC Plus group. And so there's a question politically whether this was also about helping to prop up revenues.
Simpkins says not only could gas prices go higher, but the move could have a domino effect on the global economy.
And then what's the response to the high inflation and now perhaps prolonged higher inflation? And what impact is that going to have on the world economy?
It's unclear how high prices could go, but Simpkins says they shouldn't reach levels we saw in the summer. President Biden is expected to release 10 million barrels in reserves to stop a spike in gas prices.